These 6 accounts I'm going to talk about today are accounts you need to know to retire a millionaire. Like, if you are in 2025 with me and you have been following me, this is one of the best videos you're going to see in the month of June. Why? Because I'm going to be sharing 6 accounts that will make you rich, that you should know. The problem is that nobody taught us this in school. Even me, nobody taught me in school that I need to know about these types of 6 accounts, and I've never walked into the bank and my banker is telling me about these things. So, shh, this is what banks do not want you to do. But hey, you are my bestie, and today I'm going to be discussing these 6 accounts that will make you rich. So, these accounts are the accounts that you need to have. And I really wish that I knew this sooner. So, if you're in your 20s and 30s, you should be hyping yourself now, because after this video, you should rush to open some of these accounts, because these accounts are literally going to change your life. So watch this video to the end. I don't think I need to beg you to watch this video to the end, but of course I'm still going to tell you. I promise you, I promise you that you will see the need to open these accounts, and you will even see how these accounts are making money. Like, these are milking money for you, because some of the accounts that people have, I've seen people who own accounts in the bank, the traditional banks, and they are losing value. But moving this money to some of the accounts I'm going to talk about will change your life. So this is all about keeping your money safe, secure, and helping your money to do the heavy lifting. So if you're ready, I'm ready, because I'm going to tell you some of these accounts, how you're going to set them up so that you will be on your way to financial success. How are you doing, family? So welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, hey, my name is Julia, and on this channel I am your wealth educator. I share tips on personal finance. The idea is to show you how to make money, manage and multiply your money. Personally, I'm keenly focused on making you understand that money can actually work for you. So I share actionable strategies that will help you build wealth. If you find this type of content helpful, please watch till the end. I love to get about 50 likes. Please do this for me. This is the only thing I'm begging you for the information I'm going to give you. Please watch till the end. It will do you good. All right, so let's get started. The very first account you need to have is what I call the expense account where all the things you spend money on goes into. So think about it as when you receive your salary, make sure you create this account. So let me break it down. This account, most likely get it in a bank. Okay, so you can have an ATM. It is basically for withdrawal. So term this account withdrawals and ATM. So you can see how to put an ATM banks. So this is where you spend your money, your daily needs, all the budgets you make. Now let me tell you how this account will make you rich. When you have this type of account, I want you to use it to pay your bills, because you're going to use it to track and budget. So let us say your salary is 500,000 and you move 300,000 into this expense account, meaning that the money that you keep here is the money you want to use to spend on your daily needs. Now, make sure that the money you have put in there is all you need for your expenses, so that it will help you to budget and work on what I call the top priority. This is an easy way to help you manage your money. Now, if you have moved 300,000 out of your 500 and you have moved 100,000 into maybe some other account like your investment account, it will help you to stay accountable. You will work from your need down to your want. So what are the top priority things you need to do from the time you receive your salary? You must have had a budget where you put everything together. Maybe one of these I'm going to do a video on budgeting, so it will make this very easy for you. But the first one is your expense accounts. When you put in money here, tell yourself, when this money finishes, I'm not going to pull money from anywhere, so that it gets you accountable and disciplined. That is the first account. Now the second account is the high interest savings account. This is my favorite, or let's say my second favorite, because the very last one I'm going to talk about, the number 6, will blow your mind. So I'm going to talk about this one, high interest savings account. High. interest. So it's a savings account that gives you high interest. Now your bank typically gives you like 3%, 2%, 1%. Some don't even give you, especially when you have a savings account and you are withdrawing from it. Once you make more than three withdrawals, forget it, sis, forget it, brother. So this is the kind of account that when you get money into from your salary, you move this account to this place. Now let me tell you why this is important. Let us say you put in 100,000 and you can earn up to 20% in a high interest savings account. Imagine getting free 20k at you started in January and by December you are getting 20k. The advantage is that you get to use the 20k to solve other problems and still leave your 100k to keep running for you. This is money, milking money for you. Imagine if you put 1 million, at the end of the day you get 200,000. Use it to do your dirty December. Imagine if you have more than 1 million. Just think about it. So you must have a high interest savings account. Use it to do what I call the sinking fund account. So you think of Christmas, you think of laptop, so you put all the money together. When you're good to go, you move the money there. Let's roll. The third one is emergency. Beep, beep, beep. All right. So of course, this is how emergency comes. It comes in unexpected. So make sure you are saving some money in an emergency fund. Now I'm going to tell you the account to use. Use an Optiflex account. Why? Optiflex is flexible, helps you to move money fast when you need it. Instead of calling 20 people to tell them all your problems, spend all your time and airtime, and maybe one or two persons will give you a little and the rest may not. Why? Because they are also going through life. So do not blame people when they say they can't help. They may be going through worse situations, but if you have an emergency fund, it will help you to that instant you're able to sort yourself out. When you have money in your emergency fund account, you put it in a high interest savings account. So when you need it, you can pull it out. But the good thing is yielding money for you on daily basis. Now, this money you can withdraw it same day. It takes few minutes to max an hour, and the money is in your account, and you solve your immediate problem. So we're going to use OptiFlex, and I'm still going to take us through the Optimus app. Okay, so let's get into the next one, the fun account. I'm sure you think I'm going to forget. Nah, I love you too much. This is about self-love. You deserve some good time. You deserve to give yourself a treat, but do not spend so much. So budget an amount and say, this month I'm going to, my self-love is 20k. When you spend this 20k, please do not stretch. Don't say, oh, someone visited me and I have to spend. Don't do that. This is for your self-love. You love yourself, you deserve it. You are a human being. You don't save so much that you don't even take care of yourself. So this is for having fun. A little bit of buying something to say, I deserve this month of hard work. All right, let's get on. The next one is an educational fund. This is perfect for newlywed. Okay, so this is that particular account that you will start creating from when the baby is born. Okay, let's say you have kids that have grown. It's still not late. Start now. Those 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira that you can use to get shawarma and other little things, you can make some sacrifices. Putting out 2,000 naira every month for the next 20 years, you'll be amazed how much 2,000 naira every month in a very good, maybe put it in a mutual fund account, a naira mutual fund account or a dollar mutual fund account, and you earn between 7, that's for mutual dollar mutual fund account, but it's for naira, you earn up to 20, 22, 26%. Imagine, meaning that if it's 20%, meaning in 5 years you've already doubled your money. Remember, the money is even compounding, so it's even taking less than that 5 years. But I've done a lot of videos showing you how money that is compounding will give you lots of money. So when your child grows up and is ready to go to the university, you already have up to 20 million, 15 million that you have ready that they are going to use to get into the university. This is very important. This is the reason why when people's children start getting into university, their parents start borrowing money. This is the perfect way to avoid borrowing money. Now let's get into the last one, which is my favorite, the brokerage account. This is the account that allows you to buy and invest in the US stock market and the Nigerian stock market. So the brokerage account allows you to buy and sell stocks in the stock market. Now, this money is taxed on return that you earn and on the dividends that you receive. Okay? Investing is what made people rich. Investing is not just for the rich people. the main way you can make your money grow massively is investing. And the beautiful thing about investing is that you do not need to do all the heavy lifting. There are so many benefits of investing in the US stock market, and I'm going to share some with you. So these are the four major points that I've come up with. The first one is that investing is such a powerful wealth building tool. It is a money printing machine. It is a gold mine. If you understand it, if you know what people in the community are seeing, you will run and join our community. It is a way to make your money work for you because it helps you take advantage of a lot of opportunities. See, your money can go 5 times. There are stocks we bought on Friday last week, and this week they return 25 to 30%. Imagine that in a month you're making 25% of your money. 25%. Now it is not static, okay? I'm just giving an example that if you pick good stocks that give you good returns, you may likely make more than 100% in a year. And that is why I say it's a powerful tool. The second one is that it has no limit, there is no cap, meaning that there is no limit to the money you can put in. That is why the rich are using it as a powerful tool. So start today and open your account. The third one is that it is flexible. Flexibility of withdrawing your money at any time. You can sell. You're in control. It's not the one you have to go and fill a form, wait for somebody to sign and stamp. You are going to be able to withdraw your money ASAP. Once you sell your stock, you allow it to settle. It takes about 24 to 48 hours to settle, and you can move your money into your local bank account. So that is why it's very important. So if you're in your 20s and 30s and you have 30 to 40 years to retire, you need to be doing some of these things, because why? It is very easy for you to start up so that you can retire early. So this is why I said it's a very straightforward strategy. Now, what do I do? In my community, I have a strategy workbook. Now, this strategy workbook is what I have designed that gives you a roadmap the next 5 years where you should be putting your money. So every week you need to fill in figures that, okay, this is where I'm putting my money, so that at the end of the first month, second month, third month, you will see where your money is actually going to. You start seeing, you'll be recording your profit. So it is, seeing is believing. It is one of my favorite tools that I've designed for my community. So I'm going to talk about how to get started by creating this account. So this is Optimus by Afrinvest app. Okay, so I have put the link of this app in the description. Just click on it and you will just, you will see this login and sign up. So you go to sign up, and when you click sign up, let's just head over and do sign up. You put in your email address, you put in your phone number, you put a password. Make sure it has 8 characters, uppercase, lowercase, number, special character, and then you click on this. The moment you click on this, you click on create account. Then you head over to Google Play Store and then download the app, or you can download this straight. You can see it here, download on Apple or on Google. So why do I love this? It has everything in one. It's safe and secured. Okay, it is insured. So this is the OptiFlex, where it is flexible. This is OptiLock, where you get to lock your money for a period of 2 months to 2 years, and this you can earn up to 22 to 26%. I love this so much. If you have a project that is not, that if you want to start saving your house rent, you can put it in bulk and leave it here and earn juicy amounts. Now, why did I talk about educational fund? That is because I know that we have mutual fund where you can invest in Naira and invest in dollars. So all you need to do is to download this app, and we have done a detailed video where I talked about everything you need to know about this app, so that you can get your mutual fund with as low as 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira. You see, that's why I say that it is super easy and cheap now for you to do all these things. So look at all the options that we have here. All you need to do is now do your research and start buying your stocks. Okay, so I've done a lot of videos, even how to fund your account. When you fund your account, please don't just buy any stock for buying purposes. Make sure you join a money community so that it will help you a lot. So please make sure you join the community. We have a VIP community. All the details are in the description of the video. It is just 50,000 naira, and you have 1 year access to helping yourself to build money and creating a plan that you can follow for the next 5 years. You should be in this community. I would love to see you there. Did you enjoy the lesson? I hope that today you are going to tell me the accounts you have opened, or the one you have already, or the one you're about to open. Please do something for yourself. One app does it all for you. Optimus by Afrinvest. And yes, please, can you give me some likes? I think I deserve some accolade. I did a good job, right? So these are the 6 accounts that will blow you up and make you a millionaire. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, drop a comment, and subscribe if you have not done so. I love you, and of course, I'm Julia, your financial bestie. I will see you in the next video.